AirTag FAQ means AirTag frequently asked questions. All your top questions answered about Apple's Bluetooth tracker. I am your friend Raja and welcome to the Technical TV. We are going to cover following questions. How does the Apple AirTag work? Do I need an iPhone to use Apple AirTag? How long will an AirTag last? How secure is the AirTag in terms of privacy? So before we begin, if you are new to my channel, subscribe the Technical TV and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from the channel. The price of the AirTag. It depends on how many would you like. In India, it will cost 1 pack for Rs 3190 and for 4 pack it will cost around 10,900. What is AirTag? AirTag is a tracking device developed by Apple as it was announced on April 20, 2021 at its spring-loaded event. AirTag is designed to act like a key finder, helping find keys and other products. It is utilizing UWB technology. So what is UWB technology? Ultra-wideband, it is also known as UWB, ultra-wideband and ultra-band. It is a radio technology that can use a very low energy level for short range, high bandwidth communications over a large portion of the radio spectrum. UWB has traditional applications in non-cooperative radar imaging. Most recent applications target sensor data collection, precision locating and tracking applications. How does the Apple AirTag work? Once you have turned on and set up an AirTag using an iPhone, it will have a unique name that will help users not confuse it with other AirTags. The device can then be placed in wallets or bags or coupled with accessories to hook it onto keys. Should you somehow lose these items along with the AirTag someday, there are 3 ways in which you can retrieve it. The first one is when the AirTag is within Bluetooth range, about 10 meters or 30 feet. When the Apple AirTag is within Bluetooth range, iPhone users can simply use the Find My app to ring the AirTag, which have their own speakers. The sound will help users to find the AirTag and hence their items. iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 series users can also simply open up the navigation mode that will use a combination of visuals, sounds and haptics to guide users toward their belongings. Second one is when the AirTag is outside Bluetooth range. But as it might be possible, your AirTag is outside the Bluetooth range. When the AirTag is outside the usual Bluetooth range, iPhone users can still use the Find My network to play a sound and or check the item's current or last location on a map. Once within Bluetooth range, iPhone 11 and 12 series users can again use the navigation mode to track their AirTag. Third one is when the AirTag is lost and you have no idea where it could be. When the Apple AirTag is left in situations where you have no idea where it is, like forgetting your bag on a train, users can place their AirTags in lost mode. This will alert users when the AirTag gets within range while finding it, or even if it is located somewhere else by the Find My network. Further, the Apple AirTag can also be scanned by someone else who has located it. Scanning the AirTag on an iPhone or Android device reveals the owner's name and contact details so that the finder can get in touch with the user. So, do I need an iPhone to use Apple AirTag? Yes. The AirTag requires an Apple iPhone to set up and function. Further, the precise location tracking features of the AirTag are enabled only on Apple iPhones that feature the U1 chip. This leaves only the iPhone 11 and 12 series to make full use of the AirTag's abilities, while Android users cannot set up and find stuff with an AirTag. Android phones that have NFC can scan an AirTag to retrieve information about the owners like their names and contact number. Android users who want a tracker can get one from other hands like Tile that will work with both Android and as well as iPhone. So how long will an AirTag last? The AirTags feature replaceable battery that is CR2032 that can be found for about Rs 30 per piece. Apple has claimed that with a fresh battery, a single AirTag will last for about a year. How secure is the AirTag in terms of privacy? The Apple AirTag features a new neat features aimed especially at functionality without jeopardizing users' privacy. The entire tracking system is based on an end-to-end encrypted that ensures that only the owner of the AirTag knows where it is all the time. Alternatively, if someone finds a lost AirTag, there is now here to find out where the AirTag has been. So, thank you. This was the video about the FAQ about AirTag. If you have still any doubts or any questions, please write in the comment box below. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the Technical TV and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my side. Till that, stay safe. Have a nice time.